Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos to your Instagram stories. So first of all, just open the Instagram application and tap on this your story in the top left corner. Now for the background, tap on this camera, then tap on this double A, then tap on this color in the bottom right corner. Pick whatever color background you want. Now tap on this face in the top and then scroll down and then simply tap on this photo. As you can see, tap on it. Now you can add different photos here. Now select any photo here like this, put your fingers in and out to resize it like this, tap on it to change the shape like this, or drag it to the bottom to get rid of this. Now tap on this sticker again photo, and now choose another photo you want to add like this. Again tap on it to change the shapes like this, and that's how you can add multiple photos on Instagram story. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.